unites with the anterior division of the retromandibular. Unite here, joins and forms the unites with the facial to form the common facial vein. So guys, this is the common facial vein. Here is the facial, retromandibular anterior division, and this is the common facial. Okay, then the common facial joins drains into the interjugular vein. It drains into the interjugular vein. Okay, so this is the diagram. And the posterior division. What about the posterior division? The posterior division of the retromandibular unites with the posterior auricular to form the external jugular vein, which ultimately drains into the subclavian vein. So this posterior division joins with the posterior auricular to form the external jugular and drains into the subclavian vein. Okay, from this jugular and drains into the subclavian vein. So from the side view we can see it like this. This is nose, mouth. Here is the eyebrow, hairpin. Supraorbital, small one, supratrochlear, longer, and here is the angular, here is the facial. Okay, then come to the superficial. Here joins with the maxillary vein, form the retromandibular vein, retromandibular 2 division, anterior division, posterior unites with the posterior auricular. So it forms the external jugular, which drains into the subclavian, and this forms the common facial, which drains into the internal jugular. Okay, which drains into the internal jugular. And here's the 2 ophthalmic veins connected with the cavernous sinus, which are connected through the pterygoid plexus. Here's the emissary vein and the deep facial vein here, and it is also connected with the cavernous sinus. Pterygoid plexus is also connected with the cavernous sinus, ophthalmic veins. Okay, so thank you guys.